Daily routine of Indian Military Academy Gentleman Cadet Full process. The life of a gentleman cadet, GC, at the Indian Military Academy, IMA, in Dehradun is both rigorous and rewarding. The training is designed to transform young men into disciplined and capable officers of the Indian Army. Here's a glimpse into the daily life and the full process a gentleman cadet undergoes during his time at IMA. 1. Morning routine. The day for a gentleman cadet begins early, usually around 4:30 a.m. The cadets are expected to be up, freshened, and ready for the morning physical training, PT, by 5 a.m. Physical training, PT. The PT sessions include a variety of exercises such as running, push-ups, sit-ups, and other endurance-building activities. This is followed by activities like cross-country running, swimming, or obstacle course training. Drill. After PT, the cadets engage in drill practice. Drill sessions are essential for instilling discipline, teamwork, and synchronization. This includes marching, saluting, and other ceremonial drills. 2. Breakfast and classes. After the morning PT and drill sessions, cadets have time to shower and change into their uniforms for breakfast. A nutritious breakfast is provided, ensuring that cadets have the energy needed for the day ahead. Classes. The academic classes start around 9 a.m. These classes cover a wide range of subjects, including military tactics, leadership, weapons training, and general education subjects like history, geography, and languages. The aim is to equip the cadets with both military and academic knowledge. Afternoon training. The afternoons are dedicated to hands-on military training, which is crucial for developing the skills needed on the battlefield. Weapons training. Cadets are trained in handling and firing various weapons, including rifles, machine guns, and grenades. They also learn about weapon maintenance and safety protocols. Field craft and tactics. This involves practical exercises in navigation, camouflage, concealment, and small unit tactics. Cadets learn how to operate in various terrains and conditions, preparing them for real-life combat scenarios. Sports and games. Physical fitness is a top priority, so cadets participate in various sports such as football, basketball, hockey, and boxing. This not only keeps them fit but also fosters a spirit of camaraderie and teamwork. 4. Evening routine. After a long day of training and classes, the cadets have some time to relax and reflect. Study time. Cadets have designated study hours in the evening where they can review what they've learned during the day and is served in the mess, and it's an opportunity for cadets to unwind and socialize with their peers. Night routine. The day winds down with some time for personal activities before lights out. Out at around 10:30 p.m. Cadets are expected to get a good night's sleep to prepare for the next day's challenges. Weekend and special activities. Sundays may have a lighter schedule. Saturdays often include activities like inspections, parades, and special lectures. Adventure training. Occasionally, cadets participate in adventure activities like rock climbing, trekking, and river crossing. Passing out parade. The culmination of the IMA training is the Passing Out Parade, POP, a prestigious event that marks the transition from cadet to officer. The parade is attended by senior military officials, family members, and dignitaries. After successfully completing the rigorous training, the gentlemen cadets are commissioned as officers in the Indian Army, ready to serve the nation with honor and dedication. Life at the Indian Military Academy is a blend of physical rigor, mental discipline, and character building. The training is tough, but it molds young men into leaders who are ready to face the challenges of military life. Every day at IMA is a step towards becoming a capable and honorable officer of the Indian Army. Join Mansa Defence Academy, fulfill your dreams.